This is the Game Note headphone holder with a power bank on it. Basically, you've got a button here that can turn on and off all of the devices. If you leave it on the side here, there's a button that you can change the color of the, so you can go red, green, blue, pink, off, and a breathing mode. Another thing to note is when you plug anything into it that needs to charge, sometimes this thing will get locked into red, but I guess it's not doing it now. Let's plug something else in and see if it goes red. Turn that on. Oh, okay, I guess it's working. Maybe it was just one time that happened. Other than that, it's been a great headset. You can kind of adjust this a little bit and spin it to whichever way you want your headphones to face. Pretty basic setup here, really cool.